Hello and welcome to our video on blockchain. In this video, we'll be introducing you to the basics of this revolutionary technology and explaining how it works. So, what is blockchain? Simply put, a blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions on multiple computers. Think of it like a shared spreadsheet that is constantly being updated and verified by a network of users. Now, let's break down how a blockchain system works. At the heart of every blockchain are blocks, which are essentially packages of data that contain information about a particular transaction. These blocks are then linked together in a chain, forming a permanent record of all the transactions that have occurred on the blockchain. But how do we ensure that this record is accurate and cannot be tampered with? That's where nodes come in. Nodes are computers that are connected to the blockchain network and help to validate transactions. When a new block is added to the chain, it must be verified by a certain number of nodes before it can be considered valid. This process is known as consensus. So, now that we have a basic understanding of how blockchain works, let's talk about some of the ways it is being used in the real world. One of the most well-known applications of blockchain is in the world of finance, where it is being used to create secure and transparent payment systems. But blockchain has the potential to revolutionize many other industries as well. For example, it can be used to track the movement of goods through supply chains, improving efficiency and reducing the risk of fraud. It can also be used to securely store and share medical records, reducing the risk of errors and improving patient care. One use case for blockchain in finance is the creation of digital currencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. These digital currencies use blockchain technology to record and verify transactions, allowing for peer-to-peer exchange without the need for a central authority. Another use case is the development of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. These contracts can be stored on the blockchain, making them secure and transparent. Blockchain can also be used in traditional financial institutions to streamline processes and reduce the risk of fraud. For example, banks can use blockchain to securely and efficiently process transactions, such as international money transfers. Overall, the use of blockchain in finance has the potential to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve security. One fun use case for blockchain technology is the creation of virtual worlds and online communities. For example, the game CryptoKitties allows users to buy, sell, and breed virtual cats using Ethereum, a cryptocurrency built on the Ethereum blockchain. In these virtual worlds, users can own and trade digital assets, such as virtual real estate or in-game items, using blockchain-based tokens. These tokens are stored on the blockchain, allowing for secure and transparent ownership and transfer. Another fun use case for blockchain is the development of augmented reality (AR) games and applications. For example, the game CryptoSpace uses blockchain technology to create a virtual world where players can explore and interact with AR objects. Overall, the use of blockchain in virtual worlds and online communities adds an extra layer of security and ownership to digital assets, enabling users to truly own and trade their virtual creations. In conclusion, blockchain is a powerful technology with the potential to transform the way we do business and interact with each other. It offers increased security, transparency, and efficiency, and it has already begun to disrupt many traditional industries. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to learn more about blockchain, be sure to check out some of our other videos and resources. Thanks for watching.